last month, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, I think 28th October, at which this issue is still discussed. And from that particular meeting, from what we gathered from our rep, is that the BFL then decided to still seek a legal advice pertaining to the matter, in as far as whether they did follow the rightful procedures in attaining that competitions or coming up with that competitions rules or not. Hopefully, we need to be given feedback as to when the answer is going to be, the issue is going to be brought to finality.
Because I ask you, what is the position of your clubs? Because I want here to be clear on whether the clubs are against the 14 relegation. And with that, and with understanding that, then I would be able to question whether there is a problem or whether there is an argument for or against this relegation system that will be used in the 2023-2024 season.
As far as I know, is that the clubs are pretty against